What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Easy Eats with Keith, where I teach people to make simple meals to get you through the day. And today, man, we're gonna be making one of my favorites, air fryer barbecue wings. Quick, easy, simple recipe. Should take you no longer than 10 to 15 minutes to get this done. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. I lied, 20 minutes, but you follow those steps, man. One more thing I forgot to add, put whatever kind of barbecue sauce you want. I got mine like this. It's time to pull them wings out of that air fryer, throw them on a plate, sprinkle that barbecue sauce on them, and then you know how I do it. End all my videos the same. I'm gonna taste it, let y'all know if it's good or if it's Look, man, I got more wings in there cooking up, but this the ones that's done. I got my little tool. You can use a spoon, whatever you want to use. I use this. Yes, it's clean. I just got this out the wash. It's just got a couple stains on it, so don't worry about all that. Time to dip this like this. Boom. Oh yeah, just want to lather up the barbecue wings. And if you did everything right, cooked them the same time, 400 degrees, just like I did in that video. I mean, look at this. Rub it down with the barbecue sauce. No more talking. Hey, that might be my best one yet. You know what? I might go make another batch. But you know what you should do? You should like this video, and continue to watch, man. I thank y'all for watching my videos. I know I've been behind. I've been doing some things. I have a life outside of YouTube too, man. But I appreciate y'all for tapping into this video. Like and subscribe. Y'all stay blessed.